Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up TradingView on mobile. First, download the official TradingView application from your App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date for optimal performance. Once installed, open the app and either create a new free account or simply log in with your existing TradingView credentials. This initial step takes less than 1 minute. Next, let's personalize your charts. Tap the chart icon at the bottom to open a new chart layout. You can easily adjust timeframes, ranging from 1 minute to 1 month, to suit your analysis. To add technical indicators, simply tap the plus icon and select from hundreds of options, such as moving averages or the relative strength index. You can also switch between various chart types, like candlesticks or line charts, in just a few taps. Now let's set up your watch lists and alerts. You can create multiple watch lists to organize different asset classes like stocks, crypto, or forex. To add a symbol, simply search for its ticker and tap the plus button. Setting price alerts is crucial. You can define specific conditions, like a price crossing a certain level, and receive instant notifications. Keeping your watch list organized helps you monitor your preferred instruments efficiently. Finally, let's explore some advanced features. TradingView Mobile offers a full suite of drawing tools, allowing you to perform detailed technical analysis directly on your charts, just like on desktop. Stay informed with the integrated news feed, providing real-time market updates. All your settings and layouts automatically synchronize across all your devices, ensuring a seamless experience. Don't forget to explore community ideas for fresh trading perspectives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.